I'm Pop Seagull. And welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of Bagua Kuntao Silat's favorite counters to the sucker punch. And you see what we just did was immediately, if it's a sucker punch, you're not aware of it until it's a flicker of movement. So you're not going to do all these fancy kind of things to get out of it. The best thing you can do is go with a natural response. So let's use that natural response and go towards the elbow cover and attack. Well, I see it. I go counter-instinctive. I don't jump away from it. I go towards it because I can see that flicker of a fist coming at me. And when I turn to move forward, I'm going into it. And I'm also checking to see if there's a weapon in that other hand. And that's why you also see me bringing in my other elbow to check that, as you saw in torquing palm, because I may have to use it. I don't want to expose my vital organs. I want to use my bone shield to protect me, but I want to continue to be able to generate force and counterattack the opponent who's just expecting a soft, easy target, and instead he's got somebody hitting him much harder than he thinks he's going to hit me. That's the secret of the punch. Also, the way we strike in Bagua Kuntao Silat, you can see when he punched forward, immediately it was a destruction. I was destroying the incoming punch. I wasn't just shrinking away, I was moving towards it. And that follow-up punch, if he wouldn't have had that, if he would have had a hand up, I would have hit it anyway and try to go right into the base of his skull, top of his neck, or the jaw, depending upon, or the ear, depending upon what I wanted to get done. You see me bringing my foot with it, just like in torquing palm, to hit him as hard as I possibly could, and also to get ready for the throw, which to the back leg sweep, yeah, and going with momentum, and he's thrown down. So, and that's it. I can show you from the other side. Immediately, I move in, elbow, destroy the incoming punch, and protect my head. You know he's going for your head. Every sucker puncher goes for your head. So you don't have to worry about what he's going to punch. You just cover up and counterattack what you know he's going to attack. So you cover up, go for that punch, and immediately go in, strike here, and here I'm in a position where I can do the leg sweep, but I'm in a much better position where he's offside, where I can go ahead and do the front leg sweep and take him down. It all depends. Counterattacks in Bagua Kuntao Silat are always situational. They depend upon his intent, your knowledge, ability, and intent, and relative structure for both people. Just remember, when you're covering, you don't have a glove on. So you can't just do like a boxer and put this up here. If so, he's going to strike you hard to the side of your head or face, and this is going to be for nothing. Other than if he hits you there, he's going to break your hand, and you won't be able to counterattack properly or grab him in defense. So it's this. This is the cover. Just like you practice in the elbow, that move. It's that cover. So your bone shield, but it's done in a counter-offensive maneuver. So when that punch comes, it's immediately protected. And you can see here, even if he hits me, I'm hitting his side here. And from this way, I'll counterattack here. And it's a hard, heavy elbow because I'm not a professional fighter. I'm not even an amateur fighter anymore like I used to be decades ago. So my hands aren't conditioned anymore like they used to be. So I like using elbows, forearms, knees, headbutts, palms that don't use small bones because I can still generate power. It's just that I haven't conditioned my hands like I used to. So we need to be able to, and most people don't. So we want to be able to deliver maximum force to the target with minimum damage to us. And that involves usually elbows, knees, headbutts, especially against a sucker puncher. Thank you for watching Pop Seagull's Bagua Kuntao Silat channel. Please like and subscribe before you forget. And check out my website, www.popsigung.com. See you again soon.